Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect F-panel, only way. Start by identifying the labeled terminals and grounding points and turn off power at the breaker before touching anything. Use appropriately rated wires and tighten terminal screws to manufacture torque. Label each conductor and verify connections with a multimeter. Restore power and test circuits one at a time. If you are unsure, consult a licensed electrician for safety and code. Before you begin, lay out all tools and parts so nothing is rushed. Confirm wire sizes against breaker ratings and strip insulation to the correct length. Keep a torque wrench handy to meet terminal specifications and prevent loose connections. Use a multimeter to check continuity and voltage before and after connections. Work methodically, label each conductor clearly, and pause if anything looks unfamiliar or unsafe. Start by connecting neutrals and grounds, making sure all grounds bond to the panel chassis. Route hot conductors neatly and attach them to the correct breakers in order, avoiding crossed wires. Tighten each terminal to the specified torque and use a multimeter to confirm correct voltages and continuity. Replace the panel cover, restore power carefully, and test each circuit one by one. If anything seems off, stop and get professional help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.